नमस्ते जेवियंस, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I जेवियन प्रीति सिंह, faculty of pharmaceutical science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic pharmaceutical powders. Pharmaceutical powders belongs to the subject pharmaceutics theory for the B Pharm first semester. Now we come to the what is the introduction of the powder. Powders are the simplest dosage form, are the basic of many other solid dosage forms such as tablet, capsule, etc. Powders were originally designed as convenient mode of administering hard vegetable drugs such as roots, bark, and wood. Definition: powders are intimate mixture of dry, finely divided drugs and or chemicals that may be intended for uh, external or internal or external use. Example: external application to the skin. So the classification of powders: bulk powders for external use, bulk powders for internal use, simple and compound powders for internal use. Powders enclosed in catchets and capsule, compressed powders, tablet. So the bulk powders for external use: dusting powders. They are meant for external application to the skin and generally applied in a very fine state of subdivision to avoid local irritation. There are two types: medical. They are used for superficial skin conditions. They should not be used for application to open wounds or application of broken skin. The label should clearly specify this point. We need to not sterilize the ingredients of these powders, but we must be sure that they are not containing pathogens. So the surgicals, these powders must be sterile because they are used in body cavities and and are applied on wound. They are sprayed on burnt areas and are placed on the umbilical cords of infants. These powders usually contains an antibacterial agent. The diluent is sterilizable maize starch, which is also called as absorbable dusting powder. Function: lubricants, protective, adsorbents, and antiseptic astringents. So the SNFs definitions: these are finely divided solid dosage form of medicaments inhaled into nostril and functions decongestion, antiseptic, and bronchodilators. Packaging dispensed in flat metal boxes with hinged lid. So the dental powders are applied with the help of toothbrush for cleaning the surface of the teeth. Dental powders contain detergents, abrasive, antiseptics, and coloring and flavoring agent incorporated in a suitable base. Base is calcium carbonate. The detergent is in the form of soap, and the abrasive action is provided by the finely powdered pumice stone. Essential oil are added to provide flavor and freshness to the mouth as well as antiseptic action. Insufflation are the medicated dusting powder introduced into body cavities such as such as ears, nose, throat, and vagina. With the help of device, with the help of device called the insufflator. In sprays the powders into the stream of finely divided particle all over the site of application. So the advantage of powder used both internally and externally: good chemical stability compared with fluid and rapid onset of action. easy to swallow even in large bulk, especially in mixed with drink food. Easy to carry than the liquid doses form. It is suitable for small children and elderly patients. Economical. So the disadvantage of powder, not suitable for the drug, unstable in atmospheric condition, not suitable for bitter, nauseating, deliquescent, and hygroscopic drug. The dispensing of powder is a time consuming. Quantity less than 100 mg or so cannot be weighed conventionally dispensing balance. Conclusion, powder dosage form are versatile, flexible in doses, strength, relatively stable and also convenient to manufacture, store, handle and use. It is possible to reduce them to desired particle size and thus facilitate rapid absorption. Thus, from biopharmaceutical consideration, powders are convenient and useful for the prescribing drugs. So there are session of the powders. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem with the problem resolving class. Thank you and thank you for the listening.